Fixing the fridge today. You chill. Stop. Alright. Should come on. Yep. There we go. Alright. So a fuse should go back in there. I'm gonna do that right now. Got the glass fuse. Pop that guy in. One, two. There we go. Alright, it's in. Let me put this back together and see if the fridge comes on. We got Burger King, DoorDash. Alright, let's see if the fridge works. You stay there. Stay. Let's put it on auto. Let's see. Should be no blinking. Lights on in the fridge. We'll see. Not seeing any blinking. So far, so good. Yeah. What? There was some kind of ticking noise. I'm wondering. Some kind of ticking noise. Something must be rusted or corroded or whatever. Alright, I wanted everyone to witness this moment. Finally putting groceries in the fridge. Woo, this is a really good feeling. The fridge hasn't worked in like a week, but it's ice cold now. Yep. So good to have groceries. Finally, dude. Since the whiskey's gone, I might as well get stoned.
Oh, well, thank you. Appreciate it. I still have my knot water.
My knot. I'm starting to rethink the jacket's starting to get warm already. So just throw it in the buggy.
Can y'all hear me out there?
Yeah, just throw it in the buggy. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah.
Are y'all having a good time?
Yeah, woo!
That was piss poor. I said, are y'all having a good time? All right. I love to hear that.
I'm here for a good time for a long time.
Alright, this feels like a fun bunch. I like it.
To be honest, folks, I don't really know if I'm heading straight to Florida or not, so I might be joining y'all, hanging out a little bit.
That's a great idea.
I can't promise too much more music because I really have a feeling after tonight I'm not going to have a voice.
Let me give you a little preview. The Eagles are going to win the Super Bowl.
Yes, sir!
Hey, yeah! Here's all I know. I don't know a damn thing about sports ball. Don't know a damn thing about sports ball. I like the green outfits.
And I like the food.
I like green. That's my favorite color. So I'll take it. That's the Eagles. All right. I grew up near Pittsburgh County, country, Pittsburgh Steelers and all that. That's my, my area. Guilty by association, I suppose. At least I ain't a Buckeye.
You got that right?
I really don't care. Mama told me I was young. Sit beside me. The song's called Wild. This is an original that's going to be released here next month or so. She's got eyes like pools of bamboo, and a smile lights up the room. She stands tall on her own 2 feet.
do that. I come with my bass.
When you hear me on the touchstones, baby, singing nonsense.
I'm telling you, you gotta do the drums. Guitar, got lead guitar, all the bass, with them long ass arms. Yeah. And I beat with the bass. I'm telling you, we'll kill him. We'll be the Rickard's tree. Like the Beatles. We'll be the Rickard's tree, man. I'm telling you. Yeah! Woo! Yes, sir.
Good morning. I'm up the bike, getting ready to go into town today. But I'm not gonna show you guys that. That's probably gonna be next week's video. But I am getting ready to give Kyle a bath because he stinks. But yeah, yesterday was Super Bowl Sunday. Today is Monday, obviously. And I gave this dude a bath because he stinks. Still got that Boston dirt on him. Yeah, but the reason why I'm going into town is because I need to return this heater because this is garbage. It's actually a different heater. I got off Amazon. This box is not the right box. That's actually that one. But yeah, $30 just sitting here, and I'm pretty sure Amazon sent me a used heater. That's why. But I'm gonna return that later. But want to give him a bath first. So yeah, let's do that. Yeah, but everything's good so far. Finally got this place dialed in. Fixed the fridge. Finally fixed the fridge. Woo! It's been like a week without the fridge, and it's very hard. But other issue, toilet's leaking. Got water dripping behind the toilet. So I had a towel here, but it's this. I'm just gonna replace that. I don't know if it's the toilet itself yet, but it's like a slow drip. But I've been using this towel behind it, so that's why I've been having to have the water off. But I have it on, obviously. But I might just have to keep the water off until I can get the toilet fixed, because it's just gonna leak water. What if I'm in town and just it spills everywhere? And yeah. Now I was gonna save washing Kylo for next week's video, but it's supposed to rain all week this week, tomorrow. It's probably the aftermath of that winter storm in Boston. Oh, there's a winter storm in Boston, by the way, so it's a good thing we left before it hit. Alright, got soap and towel. Should be good. I know, I'm sorry, Kylo. I'm sorry. Good boy. I know, it's cool. I'm sorry. No! Alright. Stay. Stay. I know, you're cold. I'm sorry. Come. It's not that cold. Relax. Come. Warm me up right now. Come here. There you go. Please don't shake. No! Come here. Come on.
a good boy? Who's a good boy? Stay. Ah, come here. Sit. 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 Come here. Good boy. Come here, Kylo. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Sit. I know. It's cold. I'm sorry. You stink, dude. You need a bath. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Take off. Come here. Come here. Philo, come here. Come here. I got a towel. Come on. Come. Philo, come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Come on. You want to get warm or what? Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. See? See? It wasn't so bad. Good boy. I know, it's cold. I'm sorry. I couldn't take that smell any more longer. Hello. Just doing some laundry. Kylo just ate dinner and pushed his bowl all the way in the hallway. Mister. Yep. Dad's cooking a steak tonight. Victoria and her boyfriend are gonna come over. So it might just be the four of us. I'm not sure if my brother's coming. Yep. Morning, morning. Just getting today started. Oh, now you want to get up? Make some breakfast. Gotta get this guy walked. It is raining out, so. And it got pretty cold last night, but luckily I have a heater jacket. Wanna go outside? It's gonna be a little wet. Alright. Get some cereal in me. Walk this guy. See you guys later. Alright, gonna make the bed. Pretty gloomy and rainy and wet out here. Yeah. But it's Tuesday morning. No one out here. Everyone's probably at work or working from home. But yeah, just rainy, chill day. I don't know if I'm gonna try to get to the generator today. I don't know. I want to bring out the Canon, but I'm afraid of the Canon getting wet, so we shall see. Here it is. Look at that. You cheater! You got 4 legs! Jump in. Jump in.
Drop it. Drop it. Kylo. Drop it. Drop it. You cheater. Cheater. Sit. Sit. You're not sitting. Sit. Okay. You're supposed to jump for it. That. Let it go. Drop it. Sit. Sit. Hey. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Who's my good boy? Come here. Oh, there you go. Oh, you look. He's all growl. He is all growl. Give him. Hey. I'm gonna bite your paw. 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 I love you too. Alright, go. Go on. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. It's rainy out and gross, so just gonna take a chill day today. Get some chores done. Yeah, pretty much it. Ew, you just burped in my face, dude? Get off me. Go. Go. Alright, next week's video, we're gonna try and do a generator revival. And then maybe the video after that, I want to do a bike tour of the area. So I just strap the GoPro to my helmet and just film and see what we can do. Switch it up a little bit, Okay. Okay, Kyle. Alright, guys, come say hi. Say bye. At the end of the video. Say bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Yeah. That's not how he sounds. Hey, don't growl on me. Alright, you want to do my outro? You gotta kiss your paw and put your paw over the camera. Okay? He's gonna growl. Alright, ready? Mwah. Say bye, everybody. Come on. Come on, you gotta put your paw over the camera. Quick, before it expires. Quick. Come on. Put your paw over the camera. Come on. Okay. Bye.
Somewhat like this. Are you sure you will love me in the middle of the night? When the darkness that's living outside